Hey guys, welcome back to Make or Break. Today we get to meet a maker from the south, which makes me jealous because it's nice and warm there right now. So put down your tools, guys. It's time to meet a maker. Hey guys, welcome back to Make or Break. I am Sarah, and today we get to meet a maker who loves creating beautiful spaces on a budget. Leah, thank you so much for joining me today.
Thank you for having me. I'm super excited about it.
All right, I'm gonna jump right into the first question. Tell me a little bit about yourself and how you got started with your channel.
Well, originally I'm actually from Michigan, and I moved to the South about 10 years ago and started Southern Yankee DIY 4 years ago. Basically, we moved in and bought a cookie cutter, plain Jane house, and we just wanted to make it our own, but we needed to do it on a super DIY budget, so that's basically how I got started.
That's awesome, and I love that you got the space, but it was a blank canvas, and now you get to put your own touch on everything. That's cool.
Yes, exactly. And now we bought our forever farmhouse, so now I kind of just get to take all of those skills and put it into our forever home and give it the character that we want it to have.
What tool is the most unsung hero of your shop?
Oh boy, everything battery powered, but especially my battery powered brad nailer. I could not do anything without it because it's super quiet, so it makes those nap time projects possible, and that's a must in this house.
Dude, anything that you can get done during nap time, if it's not quiet, then yeah, you can't get it done during nap time. Rob and I have used our brad nailer for a couple years now, and same, we are obsessed with it. Anytime we can get a project that we get to use that tool, it makes us really, really happy. So I agree with you. That is a fun tool to have.
Yes, it's my favorite for sure.
All right, Leah, what has been your all-time favorite project and why?
I get asked this all the time, and honestly, I think that every project I'm currently doing is my favorite project. I feel like I give all of myself into the current project, and everything about it is my favorite. And every project I learn something and then come up with something new and get to try something new. So I don't even know if I could pick. Whatever I'm doing right now is my favorite, and whatever I'm gonna do in the future, that'll be my favorite too.
Okay, so looking through your projects from my perspective, I am obsessed with your outdoor bar that you made and your nursery that you redid. Both of those projects to me were absolutely amazing.
Thank you so much. Yes, those were super fun. I did love both of them.
All right, name another maker that you love following.
Delancey from the Carson home. She is awesome. She just recently did like an entire bathroom makeover, and it was fantastic. And I love how she's so detailed, and I learned so much just by following her.
Do you have any other makers that you love to follow?
I just recently started following a YouTube channel called What the Flip. I really enjoy all of that. And then also Sarah from Rocky Cannon Rustic. She's super fun. I love all of her projects, and her channel's a good time too.
All right, what are you currently working on?
Currently, we are working on our walk-in closet renovation, and it's actually our laundry room also. When we bought this house, the master bedroom closet was really tiny and the bedroom was kind of small. So we took down that wall and made it kind of an office nook, and then took an office, like what was an office in the house, and closed it off and made it our walk-in closet laundry room that we now can get through our bathroom. So it's been a long project, but it's really at the end now and coming together nicely.
Oh, you have the light at the end of a tunnel.
Yes, yes. Hopefully, that's what we keep telling ourselves.
Leah, thank you so much for taking time out of your day to talk with me. I really, really appreciate it.
Thank you so much for having me. It was so much fun.
And I'll be sure to leave the links for not only Leah's page, but all of the other ones that she mentioned in the description below, so you can go check them out. I want to thank Heart for sponsoring this episode and reminding us that we can do anything you can imagine when you do it with Heart. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next week.